In this video, I will show you step by step how you made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube. I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and in this video, I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate link that got me a lot of commission, and I made a lot of money from this affiliate link. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to make money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do is just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And the sign up process is super easy and simple. As you can see, put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Okay, it's super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable services and the method that I'm using to find a profitable services. Okay, what you need to do, just go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, let me show you. Go to your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube. So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? That's a really big number. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific topics on YouTube. They are searching for services, products, and so much more. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. And I'm following people who are making thousands of dollars every single month just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube, using YouTube. You can get so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, so anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, ask question. I will ask, for example, how to promote. You can ask any question you want. Okay, I will ask, for example, how to promote Etsy, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to promote Etsy shop, how to promote Etsy shop on Pinterest, how to promote Etsy shop on Instagram, how to promote Etsy digital products. I will take this topic, how to promote Etsy shop. So what I will do, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search. I will search for Etsy promotion services. Okay, search for Etsy promotion services. Scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service, as you can see. So what you need to do next, you need to choose a good seller that will provide this service, okay, that you can use to promote your affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will choose this one. This one is looking really good. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star. I will click on his service. Just click on his service, and what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down about this gig, click on his video like this.
Want more visibility and growth for your Etsy business through social?
It's really looking good. Double click, save this video to your laptop. Okay, save a video like this. I will name it Etsy ads. Okay, and what you need to do next, you need to go to Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do next, just click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload file and upload this video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, like this. Open. Your video will be over here. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background. Okay, click on text and scroll down. Choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text style. Your text will be over here. I will delete this part. Decrease the font size of your text. Put your text here. Double click. Write the sentence. Check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, make it like this. Okay, it's looking good. Let me see. Click over here on elements. Okay, click on elements and click on shape. I will use this one, and click on color and choose black color. Okay, like this, and I will put this shape here like this. Okay, and here you go. Let's check.
Want more visibility and growth for your Etsy business through social media? Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Tumblr advertising campaigns. Targeting the best country.
This is really good. It's looking good. So what you need to do next is you just need to click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, so people who will watch your video, okay, on YouTube, they will see this. Check link in my description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. People who are interested to promote their Etsy stores, get more sales and make more money, those people will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Okay, go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, and create a YouTube channel. If you don't have, it's super easy. You just need to use your email address, and that's it. And put this title, how to promote Etsy shop, and that's it. Don't add or change anything, just copy and paste. How to promote Etsy shop, copy this title, use this title for your video in your YouTube description. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or here, and go to your YouTube description, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. People who will watch your video, they will see this, check link in my description. They will check your YouTube description, they will find your affiliate link. If they click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller. Click on continue, buy this service just for 20 bucks, as you can see, and you will earn commission. If they keep buying in next, for example, if they keep buying more from this seller, you will keep making more commission, and that's it. It's really easy using free traffic. This is the easy business that beginners can start without investing any money. Okay, you can start affiliate marketing with $0 using these methods that I share with you. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, And if you don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, check link in my description below. I will leave link of my video showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can promote this video and how you can add affiliate link in your YouTube description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.